promotion, population law is necessary for better healthcare and education. First of all, population law is against the core principles of our constitution and violates fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 14, 19(1)(g) and 21. Article 14 talks about equality before law and and requires classification based on intelligible differentia. Now, disqualifying a person based on the number of children that they can have has nothing to do with the person's capability, merit, and the suitability for a job. And this is an arbitrary and unreasonable classification. It is also a direct attack on Article 19(1)(g) that guarantees every citizen a right to practice any profession by making them ineligible for appearing in government jobs, restricting promotions, and also putting ban on several candidates for contesting in elections. Furthermore, population law will also increase female infanticides, unsafe abortions, and other practices that may endanger life and health of individuals, which is again contrary to the very spirit of Article 21. Many policies deny school benefits, ration card, government welfares to a third child. Now, my question here is that isn't it morally wrong to deny basic rights to the child who had no role in being born? How can we advocate that population law is for the betterment of the citizen when it is very clearly evident that the population law is stripping individuals off of their rights? China is a very good example of how population law is not sustainable for better healthcare and education in the long run. But the most important reason of why I think that population law is unnecessary is that we are living in 2026. So, in many parts of the world and also in India, the population growth is declining naturally and has reached below the replacement level. So there is no need for to impose artificial methods to reduce the population growth. In the end, I just want to say that the better education and healthcare comes from better governance and not from how many children a person can have. Thank you so much.